Do you know about this book? You will be amazed after hearing that millions of people around the world are benefited by this book. Have you ever thought of reading this book and got no time to read? Don't to worry, watch this video till the end. We will answer all your curiosity through this video regarding the book. Hello friends, welcome to the Aqua Learners. Today we are talking about the world most famous mind training book, the Silva Mind Control Method, which was first introduced by the Jose Silva in 1960. By using the Silva Mind Control Method, millions of people around the world have unlocked the power of their minds. They use this method to crack the examination, improving their health, increasing the healing power of subconscious mind, strengthening the relationships, crediting the new products in the market, and many more. Now let's insight on the things which we are learning from this video. About brain waves, counting backward meditation techniques, building a visualizing tool, improving memory, apply a visualization to solve a problem, creative consultations, improving health and relationships. This video may be a quite longer because we never compromise on the content of the book and we never fail to serve the audience. Without any further delay, let's get started. To know how to function in Silva Mind Control Method, first we have to insight on the types of brain waves. Our brain produces the different brain waves at different frequencies. Beta brain wave. Beta brain waves are produced when we are awake, walking, daydreaming, busy, bored, and many more possibilities. This also termed as the outer consciousness. Beta brain waves produces in the range of 13 to 20 Hz. Alpha brainwaves. It occurs when person feels relaxed and when the brain is in an ideal state without concentrating on anything. Alpha waves induces feelings of increased creativity. Alpha waves are produced in the range of 8 to 13 Hz. Theta brainwaves. Our brain produces the theta waves during the sleep. These waves are essential for information processing and memory storage. Theta brainwaves are produced in the range of 4 to 8 Hz. Delta brainwaves. Delta brainwaves are the slowest recorded brainwaves in human beings. They are often found in infants and young children and are associated with the deepest levels of relaxation and sleep. The Silva method is based on the slowing our brainwaves to function at alpha. We use specific techniques to achieve these brainwaves. Counting backward meditation techniques. This technique triggers the brain to produce alpha state. When you wake up in the morning, set the alarm for 15 minutes. Laying down comfortably, close your eyes, look slightly upward behind your eyelids at 20-degree angle. This position of eyes helps to trigger the brain to produce alpha wave. Now slowly count backward from 100 to 1 at about 2-second interval. Do this for 10 mornings. Then count 50 to 1 for next 10 mornings, 25 to 1, 10 to 1, and finally 5 to 1 for next 10 mornings is to come out from the alpha state. Slowly count from 1 to 5. Prepare yourself to open eyes slowly. You will feel wide awake and feeling better. After completing the 50 days of alpha state meditation, we can now move to the next method. Sit comfortably, whatever position you may choose, either on bed, chair, or on a lotus position or a cross-legged position. Now consciously relax your body by concentrating on every part of your body, starting from the left foot, left leg, right foot, right leg, and so on until you reach the throat, face, eyes, and finally the scalp. After relaxation, fix a spot about 45 degrees above the eye level on the ceiling or wall opposite of you. Slowly close your eyes. Start backward counting from 50 to 1 for the next 10 days, 25 to 1, 10 to 1, and finally 5 to 1 for next 10 days. Try this method for twice or thrice a day. Building a visualizing tool. After completing the backward counting method, we are now able to visualize. we have reached a center to mind control. Once you reach to the meditative level of your mind, create a mental screen in front of your eyes at a distance of 6 feet. When you are able to create a mental screen, try to see the very familiar object on screen. For example, you choose to see an orange. Now see it with full color. Experience how it feels when you touch, when you smell, when you taste it. Use every senses to experience it. See only one object at a time. Practice for a few days and choose other object for the next few days. This meditation is used to solve the problem, to visualize our desire and many more. Improving memory. Author says in each and every moment of our life we are always experiencing, but we are not aware of it. To make the things work, we must have desire first. If you have a desire to accomplish a moment, you can. At this time you are watching this video, you are going through thousands of experience which you are not aware, but our brain records every tiny details of every moment. Joe Silva shares a simple method with us. This method involves some mind triggering mechanism. During your meditation level, join first two fingers and thumb together of either hand and give yourself a suggestion as when I join my fingers like this for a serious purpose, I will reach such level of mind where I implement my desire. Practicing this for a few weeks now, a coordination between your mind and this method becomes easy. Whenever or wherever you need, you can practice this method to recall the memory, execute the moment in your life. One important thing to remember is you must be in a relaxed and calm state of your mind. Apply a visualization technique to solve a problem. When you export yourself for silver mind control, you are able to solve very small problems like lost your keys, important documents, forgot a date, password. Here I want to share an incident of myself. Few months back, I forgot my login password of my bank app. During online payment, my mobile banking app suggested me to change the passwords, so I did it. Due to my busy schedule, I forgot to note down that new password. After a few days, I was unable to log in. Then I decided to use silva method. I simply go to my level, visualize the moment when I changed the password, experience those moments with full effort. After my second attempt, I successfully recalled the password and was able to log in my mobile banking app. Also, the silva mind control enhances your ability to fulfill your desire and incident to happen on your favor. Be in a quiet place, go to your alpha state, concentrate few seconds on your breath. Now shift your focus to the mental screen. See the current picture or a situation of yourself. After a while, let it be disappear. And from the left side of your mental screen, see yourself as you want to be, or the situation you want to be happen, or the desire you want to fulfill. See that with full color. Feel the sensation of touch, smell, hear the sound. Visualize every tiny details. Explain mentally all these details. After a while, come out slowly, counting from 5 to 1. Repeat this twice a day. Creative consultation. Sleep has a profound effect on our creativity. Better sleep helps the brain make connection and solve problems. During our sleep, our brain suggests a solution to the problems, provides a way to escape. In this book, author shared a story of himself, how he got the creative consultation through sleep. During his early stage of research and investigation, he decided not to continue his journey as an investigation due to lack of money. The day he decided not to continue his journey, he had a dream where he saw a set of three numbers 343. The next day, one of his friends suggested him to buy a lottery ticket. Surprisingly, there's only one ticket remaining whose last three-digit number is 343. After a few weeks, he got to know that his ticket had won 10,000 US dollar. Because of his early stage in research, he had no idea about such mind suggestions. He also added that knowingly unknowingly dream suggest us. To get the creative consultation, there are three steps to dream control. Recalling the dream. During the sleep, we communicate with higher intelligence. While meditating just before going to sleep, say, I want to remember a dream, or I will remember a dream. Now go to sleep with paper or pen by your bedside. Whenever you wake up in the midnight or morning, write all the things you saw in dream. This helps to improve the skill of remembering a dream. Second step is solving a problem. When you master yourselves in recalling the dreams during meditation before going to sleep, review a problem that needed a solution. Before sleep, say, my higher intelligence will provide suggestions about the problem. The third step is connecting the dreams. When you are awakened during the night or in the morning, try to recall the most vividly dreams and search for the meanings. Sometimes it may not be necessary to search meanings because we may get the clear cut solution. Improving health and relationships. As we know, there's a very deep connection between our mind and body. Only a healthy mind gives us a healthy body. Author shares a simple technique to cure your illness. It's a mandatory that to cure your illness, you must be a loving and forgiving person. As we said earlier, simply go to your level, feel your illness or pain area of your body with pain or illness. It helps our mind to know the healing areas of your body and quickly erase this image from your mental screen and see yourself as before. Feel the emotions and confidence when you are healthy and pain free. Enjoy the moment by remaining there for a while. Repeat the sentence, I am healthy and perfectly fine. Be grateful for your health. Do this for 15 minutes twice a day until and unless you feel you are perfectly fine. A healthy relationship provides a motivation to grow, heals the past scars. Unfortunately, sometimes we fail to grow in our relationships. In these books, authors provides an exercise for both partners who want to fortify their relationships. He suggests us to choose a place where both of partner feels happy. The place must be where any of them or both of them haven't been there before. Now sit comfortably, close facing each other, relaxing each other with eyes closed. First, one partner will count the number from 10 to 1 slowly. During counting, both of them feel themselves going deeper into a pleasant meditative level of mind. Secondly, another partner will count from 10 to 1 slowly by saying, with each count, we'll come closer in a deeper level of our mind. Slowly go to your level of your mind and relaxed here for a while. Now, turn by turn, explain the views of the place where you have visited. Describe the every scenario detailedly and beautifully. Now, both of you make a promise with each other is I want to make you happy first and only then make myself happy. After the promise, you may come out from the meditation. This exercise helps to rebuild the relationships and it's compulsory that both partners must seek the exercise. If one of them is disagree, the exercise may not be fruitful. The paid course of Silva mind control method are available all over the world. I thought everyone are not able to pay, but everyone deserves to learn. In this video, I tried to cover the important techniques and significance of the mind control method. I have presented the type of techniques which may not require the teachers. Listen to this video until you understand the techniques. Try it, you will discover the unexpected result. So friends, that's all for this video. Please do remember to subscribe my channel, click the bell icon so that you will never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching.